They're everywhere, in your yard, on sidewalks, crushed, sprayed, hated. But what if we got it all wrong? What if the most hated weed in the world is actually one of the most powerful superfoods on Earth? You've been killing your free, homegrown medicine. And once you know the truth about dandelions, you'll never see your lawn the same way again. Section 1. The conspiracy against dandelions. There was a time when dandelions were treasured. European settlers brought them to America on purpose, as food and medicine. But then came the lawn wars. Big Lawn Care told us the lie. A perfect lawn meant dandelion-free. But here's the truth. They weren't ugly. They were unstoppable. Instead of admiring their strength, we declared war. But maybe we've been fighting the wrong enemy. Section 2. Nature's free superfood. Think kale is king? Think again. 1 cup of dandelion greens gives you 535% of your daily vitamin K for stronger bones and proper blood clotting, 112% of your vitamin A for sharper eyesight and bulletproof immunity, more calcium, magnesium, and iron than kale, spinach, or even carrots. Basically, your lawn is more nutritious than your fridge. And yeah, those fancy mesclun mixes at the store, they're dandelions in disguise. Still think this is just a weed? Drop a herb emoji in the comments if you'd eat it. Section 3. Hidden health powers. But what if I told you this isn't just food, it's ancient medicine? 1. Liver detox. The bitter compound taraxacin boosts bile flow. That's liver detox, naturally. 2. Diuretic power. In France, they call it pissenlit. Translation: wet the bed. It's as powerful as prescription diuretics, without the side effects. 3. Gut booster. The root contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds your good gut bacteria. 4. Anti-inflammatory shield. New studies show dandelions help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and may even fight cancer cells. Our ancestors knew. Now science is catching up. Section 4. Why they just won't die. You thought you killed it, but it came back, stronger, smarter, deeper. They reproduce by clones. Their seeds float like parachutes. And chopping the root, it just multiplies them. So how do you stop a dandelion? You don't. You eat it. Section 5. Dandelions in your kitchen. Want to turn your backyard into a supermarket? Try this. Tea. Steep roots for a liver-cleansing brew. Coffee? Roast the roots. It's bitter like espresso, but caffeine-free. Salads, young leaves, mild and peppery. Fritters, batter and fry the flowers, crispy gold. If this blew your mind, share it with the biggest kale lover you know. Section 6. Dandelions save ecosystems. Dandelions don't just feed us, they feed bees. They're one of the first spring flowers pollinators rely on. Their roots dig deep, aerate the soil, and pull nutrients upward. They even help neighboring plants grow better. Kill them, and you're bombing your own ecosystem. Final thoughts. The choice. So here's the real question. Will you keep fighting nature, or finally embrace it? Maybe it's time to put down the poison and pick up a salad bowl. Would you eat a dandelion? Tell us below, smash like if you learned something new, and subscribe for more mind-blowing nature truths.